Hey guys, so today we're reviewing this hair that I received from Julia Hair. So this is what came with the hair. A wig cap, a comb, and lashes and some earrings, which was very nice of them. So basically in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached the knots. This is the hair. So I'll show you a quick video where I bleach the knots as well as how to style the hair. So here's the wig. So it has a little baby hairs and stuff, but like not too hectic. So here's a bit of an up close of how it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Very excited to be rocking this. Very excited. So here's how it looks like, and it has like a metal parting, and the wig cap is nice and big and it's adjustable. So this is the bleach. This is a brilliant bleach. So normally I get like the blue one, but I didn't have that one, so I had to just make do with that one. So that one is a white bleach. Normally I get the blonde one. So we basically just bleach the hair, and you want to make sure that the bleach is a bit thick and not too watery. And then I just went in there and I basically just washed it off. This was like after like 25 minutes. And then I went in with the Tresemme conditioner. Oh, child. I went in with the Tresemme conditioner and basically just washed everything off. And then I just added the conditioner to the rest of the hair because we couldn't just leave it like that now, could we? And then I obviously dried the hair and stuff. And after drying the hair, I took it out. I actually forgot I was supposed to do this part before drying. So I went in and I plucked it, and I made sure that I make this part a bit wet, so that we can be able to pluck nicely. And I didn't really need to pluck the hair, but I just felt the need to, just because we're a bit extra, but there's no need. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And then there's a bit of that hair that we plucked out there, and basically do the same thing on the other side. And right now I'm basically cutting the lace. I'm using a blade because I feel like it's easier that way, and you want to make sure that you don't cut it like straight, like you want to do a bit of zigzag, and just try to move the hair away from the lace so that you don't cut the hair by mistake. And yeah, basically that's it. Okay, so now we're just gonna apply some gel, which is what's gonna be holding down the wig. So this is like my favorite one, and it's very affordable. I get it from Clicks, and if you watch my videos, you know this is the gel that I use. So yeah, we just need to apply it there on the forehead, and then just lay the wig nicely and make sure we lay the lace. And then after this we go in with what's this, what do you call this thing, a headband, can it be? Can I say a headband? And then we went in with this L'Oreal oil. This is like my favorite oil, so it keeps the hair nice and moisturized. So I went in and brushed the hair, and I straightened the hair while I waited for everything to lay nicely. And then yeah, oh my gosh, this hair looks lovely. I love how it looks like. And this is the 24-inch. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, I'm so happy with this hair. Like, can I tell you? Very happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a bit of foundation, not concealer, foundation, and then I'm just gonna try and make this line a bit more visible, but like you don't want to do it too much, just a little bit, just so the line can show nicely. That's more like it. Can you see how much of a difference this thing makes? Adding just a bit of concealer just so we can have it look a bit more natural. So now what I want to do is I'm waiting for this flat iron to do nicely, to be hot. Or maybe in the meantime we can do with the straightener. And I've worked with Julia hair before, and I love the quality of their wigs. And the one that I got in was like a straight hair actually also, and I did a review about it. So if you've never like watched it, please do check it out. Their straight hair is like, both I've only received their straight hair, and the quality is just amazing. Like the hair doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle up, it doesn't do any funny things, man. It's just it's just perfect. The quality is just perfect. Ah. Ooh. That's it. Okay, let's try and do a bit more here. This way. And to be honest, I didn't actually need to be like, I feel like the knots didn't really need to be bleached, and the plucking wasn't as necessary, but we had to do it because we are a bit extra. So, but you don't have to, when you buy the hair, you don't have to do any of that. You can just wear it as it is. But if you are someone that's, you know, a bit of a perfectionist, then definitely bleach the knots. But it's not, there's no need, basically. There is no need. And this hair feels so soft, you guys. It feels really nice and soft. Oh, I can't wait. I actually can't wait to be rocking this. Like, I can just imagine myself when I'm like really rocking this. And as always, I'm gonna leave the details of the hair in the description box in there. Everything you need to know about the hair and how to order and stuff. Okay. I don't think I need to do like lay the edges, because I feel like it looks a bit more natural without me adding the edges. Let me actually take you guys up close. And can I tell you guys, I got this hot comb at like China Mall at China Mall in Main Reef. So if you are interested, hook yourself up. What? Hook yourself up. It was 130 or 120 around there, but not more than 150. And I was very shook because this hot comb online, you will find it for 500 Rand or 400 Rand, going up, not less than 300 Rand in most places I've seen. So I think we are done with the hair. I'm loving how this hair looks like, and I love the fact that it's like nice and soft. It's very soft, and the quality is just amazing. And this is like the 24-inch, and I love it. I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. And if you do, check out the description box on how to order the hair. It's one of the best that I've received. And also, I always recommend, whenever someone asks, it's either I recommend, okay, I can't mention the other company, but like I normally, Julia Hair is one of the top 2 that I mention whenever someone asks me for a vendor on AliExpress. You can obviously like part it anyhow you want, but this is how I decided to do it. And yeah, I'm loving this hair, you guys. Like I love how it looks like, and I really can't wait to be just wearing more of this hair. I feel like it's very different compared to how the hair that I normally review. I mean, the highlights, I mean me with just blonde hair. I'm loving it. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming it for you guys. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And up until next time.